Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the effortlessly cool world of casual chunky street outfits. Street style has always been a major influence in the fashion world, and the trend of chunky oversized pieces is taking the stress by storm. In this video we'll explore how to master the art of layering, mix and match different textures and create bold stylish outfits perfect for a casual day out, from chunky sneakers to oversized hoodies. Let's break down how to achieve that laid back yet chic look that street style enthusiasts adore. Oversized hoodies and sweatshirts is the cornerstone of any chunky street outfit. These pieces offer both comfort and style, making them perfect for casual wear. Look for hoodies with bold graphics, logos, or unique designs to add an extra edge to your look. Pair them with skinny jeans or biker shorts to balance the volume on top. Baggy jeans and joggers are another key element of chunky street style. High-waisted, wide-leg jeans create a relaxed silhouette that's perfect for the street. Joggers, especially those with cargo pockets or side strips, add a sporty touch. Pair these with fitted tops or crop tees to keep the look balanced and stylish. No chunky street outfit is complete without a pair of chunky sneakers. These shoes not only provide comfort but also make a bold fashion statement. Opt for sneakers in bright color or with unique designs to add a pop of personality to your outfit. They pair well with both jeans and joggers, completing the casual street vibe. Layering is crucial in achieving the perfect chunky street outfit. Start with a base layer like a fitted tee or tank top, then add an oversized hoodie or sweatshirt, top it off with a statement jacket or coat. Bomber jackets, puffer jackets, and oversized denim jackets are all excellent choices for a more edgy look. Try layering a leather jacket over your hoodie. Don't be afraid to layer multiple tops for added dimension. A fitted long sleeve shirt under a graphic tee can add a cool, unexpected element to your outfit. Play with different lengths and textures to create a look that's uniquely yours. Accessories can elevate your street style game. Beanies, caps, and bucket hats are perfect for adding an extra layer of cool. Chunky chains, oversized sunglasses, and statement belts can also enhance your outfit. Remember, the key to street style is the details. Incorporating bold patterns into your chunky street outfits can make a significant impact. Animal prints, camo, and plaid are all popular choices. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns for a more daring look. The key is to keep one pattern as a focal point and use other as accents. Playing with texture is another way to add depth to your outfit. Pair a chunky knit sweater with sleek leather pants or fluffy fox fur jacket with distressed jeans. Mixing textures keep your look interesting and dynamic. Start with an oversized graphic hoodie in a bold color paired with the high-waisted baggy jeans and chunky white sneakers. Add a beanie or a crossbody bag for a touch of street cred. This look is perfect for a casual day out or running errands in style. Choose a pair of joggers with side stripes or cargo pockets. Pair them with the fitted crop top and layer an oversized denim jacket on top. Complete the look with chunky sneakers and a baseball cap. This outfit is great for sporty yet stylish appearance. Start with a fitted long sleeve shirt and a graphic tee over it. Add an oversized leather jacket and pair it with distressed skinny jeans. Finish off the look with compact boots or a statement belt. This outfit is perfect for adding a bit of edge to your street style. Opt for an oversized knit sweater and pair it with the biker shorts. Add a puffer jacket for warmth and style. Complete the outfit with chunky sneakers and a bucket hat. This look is both cozy and effortlessly cool, making it ideal for cooler weather. When creating chunky street outfits, balance is crucial. If you are wearing oversized pieces on top, opt for more fitted bottoms and vice versa. This helps create a harmonious silhouette that's both stylish and flattering. Don't be afraid to experiment with proportions. Pairing oversized tops with oversized bottoms can create a bold statement, while mixing fitted and chunky pieces can offer a more balanced look. The key is to find what works best for your body type and personal style. One of the best aspects of chunky street outfits is the emphasis on comfort. Make sure your outfit is not only stylish but also comfortable to wear. Chunky street style is all about expressing your individuality while staying comfortable and on trend by incorporating oversized pieces, layering like a pro, mixing textures and patterns, exercising thoughtfully. You can create casual, stylish outfits that are perfect for any street style enthusiast. Thank you for joining at Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into chunky street outfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips, styling guides, and beauty inspiration. Stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.